I will now pass it on to one of our amazing partners in this project, who is Karen Brard, and she is a bilingual public defender investigator at the Marin County Public Defender's Office.
Thank you, Daniela. Hi, good morning or good afternoon, everybody. Yes, I'm here at the Public Defender's Office. I have now taken my official role as bilingual the public defender investigator. Prior to this, I was the DMV liaison, trying to help people extricate themselves from the legal criminal system because of tickets and being stuck, as Daniela said, right? I noticed that I had a caseload of approximately 600 clients. About 85% of them were monolingual Spanish speakers. And one of the things of being able to help them to get out of the system was getting their driver's license to be able to clear driving unsuspended or any other issues that came about. But we also here at the Public Defender's Office, since we are transitioning very intentionally into wraparound services, where we're trying to provide more holistic public defense for clients and community members, we really want to prevent them even entering the system. I can tell you that being Latina and an immigrant myself, providing interpreter services to my family and trying to help them access any sort of services that did exist was a traumatizing experience for everybody involved. And when you only have family members to provide that, it is really amazing to have other community partners come together. And really for this project, the students, Dominican students, service learning students were the bedrock of really carrying out this project. So as I said, it's incredibly important, and it really increases, I believe, the obviously exiting the legal system, but really just the quality of life of all these community members, of not necessarily living in fear every single time they are just trying to get out and earn a living or drive their kids to school. It's really just life-changing to be able to get their driver's license. But there are many, many challenges from being able to get the proper documentation, a valid passport or a counselor card. We are helping them with that. This project is helping them with that step. The language barrier also, the DMV is supposed to have Spanish speaking staff there that is available. They may not be available, or they may refuse to also become available. So this is where also our students or ourselves, we step in and try to help people go through the process actively. It was really amazing as being a partner, seeing these motivated students bringing their life experience and to help these community members. We hosted those two workshops, those intake workshops. The one in June was just absolutely amazing and breathtaking to have over. We really thought we'd be lucky if we had 12 to 20 participants. Over 100 people showed up for our services. It just really shows that there is a real need for this. We had a minimum of 10 espacios de apoyos, 4 per month, 2 in the evening for people. Most people are working clients, so 2 in the evening on a Tuesday, 2 on Saturdays. And yeah, we just had people come on in and they were so thankful to be able to work with students. One gentleman, he had taken the written exam 9 times on his own and failed. He worked with us, he worked with the service learning students, and then he passed it, and he gave us notice that he had obtained his driver's license. It's a total success. One of the challenges, as Daniela also stated, is, people with limited literacy. So this is something that we're trying to work and trying to find partners to be able to help clients be able to gain the literacy or work around that somehow. But yeah, it has been absolutely inspiring. And yes, we want to bring in partners. We want to continue working with Dominican students, with Doctora Leon, to be able to continue this project and find ways of expanding it, because the need is just so great. And the Public Defender's Office is committed to plugging clients with other services, not just resolving their legal issue, but also any sort of services that they may need, which may be social or mental health services, obtaining. Just people are afraid to try to even apply to services, and I think that is it's a huge barrier, and we collaboratively are lowering those barriers. And I'm immensely grateful to all of you to participating in this project. And I'm incredibly proud of the work that we've done, and I'm incredibly proud of all the students that participated. So thank you so much. I appreciate your time today.
Thank you so much, Karen and Dr.